Okay, so today Ted and I are going to do something really touristy that we've never done before at Lake Tahoe. We're gonna go ride the MS Dixie to Emerald Bay. And you're coming with us.
Is there parking over here?
Yeah, you're gonna park in the middle lanes.
Okay.
$10 for cruise parking. Where there's a space.
Your last name will be on the captain's manifest. Tickets will not be needed.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. You have 1,000 of those, and you keep not bringing them places.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Father's Day.
Okay, thanks. Let's go.
Okay, so we made it to Zephyr Cove Resort, where the MS Dixie sails from, or floats from, whatever she does. And I've got Ted behind me. We got him a hat because he forgot he's at home, but it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day, Ted. Doesn't he look fabulous? I think he looks really cute.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we already bought our tickets. They have our names, and so we're just gonna board and get started.
This is what I want.
Jet skis another time.
Oh. So, 2 hours, huh? Hour there, hour back.
Guess
Seems like it's a
so.
lot closer.
It's a slow boat.
Why do I have to?
Well, you don't have to buy it, but you gotta take it.
Why do I have to? Tickets, reservations?
There you are, Diane.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard.
Awesome. Thank you. Ooh, here we go. I don't know. Oh, here's the food and shelter. And a level 3. Oh, this must be the bar. Oh, this is where the music is. Thank you. Do you want fries, potatoes, or what's that? Are you videoing me? I'll be videoing you.
Oh, you should dance in there. Just
Okay, so this food is surprisingly good. I got the grilled cheese, and I'm dipping it in this roast tomato soup. It was like a whole package that came together, and it's so good. Surprisingly good food, and the prices are reasonable. They're just like regular restaurant prices. So, 2 thumbs up. Ted found us. We are there. Why don't you want to be in the video? Why do you hate it so much? Love the camera. Kitty, you have at least 1 fan. What is this? Ted. What have you done? Can I? Is this for Father's Day? Is this your Father's Day pie?
Here, have some, beauty.
How is it?
I mean, it's a little too much.
I'll have to help you. This brownie thing, this brownie pile, so good.
Are you gonna let me have a fork?
Oh my gosh.
It's because you're on a fork.
Giving it back to Tim. So Ted, what'd you think of the Emerald Bay Cruise, which is only halfway over? So non-committal.
Nice.
It's actually really casual.
Yes, come. Very. Have a great time.
Try that. So that was a really great cruise. It was mellow, it was scenic, and lunch was surprisingly good. So $65 for adults, half price for kids, $10 for parking, and normal restaurant pricing for the food. Lunch we spent what, 30 bucks I'm guessing? So there you go, a fun day out for lunch at Lake Tahoe. $65 a ticket and you're on your phone the whole time.
So
Look at the view.
it's all the same view.
It's so pretty.
It is.